How to set Siri only for my voice. So if you want to set Siri only for your voice, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Siri and search. You need to tap on that option. Once you tap on that option, you need to tap on the first option which says listen for. And once you tap on it, you will get this kind of interface where you just need to simply tap on off and you need to turn off your Siri. Once you've turned off, now you can go for any option, like you can go for the first or second option and then tap on those options. Once you tap on it, you need to tap on continue, which is on the bottom, and then you have to read out loud what appears on your screen of your iPhone. Just be as loud and clear as you possibly can. When you're reading these sentences, make sure that you're in a quiet place when you're doing this because it makes it easy for Siri to learn and identify your unique voice. Once you have completed the voice recognition process, Siri will now respond exclusively to your voice when you say "Hey Siri" or just Siri. This added layer of security can prevent unauthorized access to your device voice assistant features, and you can enjoy the convenience of hands-free interaction with Siri while ensuring that it only responds to your voice commands. So that's it. That's how you can set Siri only for your voice. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.